Hey there, finance enthusiasts! Ready to unlock the secrets of Charlie Munger's $100,000 wisdom? Buckle up, because today we're diving into why the first $100,000 is the hardest and how you can conquer this financial milestone with a smile on your face. Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's right-hand man, once said, "The first $100,000 is a B, but you gotta do it." And he wasn't kidding, folks. The first $100,000 is like the final boss in a video game. It's tough, it's relentless, and it requires some serious strategy. Let's break it down, shall we? The first $100,000 is the hardest because it demands a lot of time, discipline, and most importantly, patience. Think of it as trudging through a marsh with ankle weights. Every dollar you earn feels like a micro victory. But once you hit that magical six figures, the compounding effect kicks in, and it's like taking off those weights and sprinting down a hill. Suddenly, things get a whole lot easier. So, how do you get there? Here are some Munger-approved tips to make that journey a bit more bearable. First off, live below your means. I know, not the most glamorous advice, but trust me, it's crucial. Munger himself lived frugally for years, investing his savings rather than splurging on luxuries. You don't need a Tesla in your 20s. A used Corolla will do just fine. Next up, invest in yourself. Munger believes in the power of education and self-improvement. Whether it's books, courses, or just learning from experiences, the more you know, the more you grow and earn. Plus, there's a certain satisfaction in knowing you're your own best asset. And finally, embrace patience. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. The first $100,000 might feel like it's taking forever, but remember, every penny saved and invested is a step closer to your goal. So keep your eyes on the prize and remember what Munger said. The big money is not in the buying and selling, but in the waiting. All right, folks, that's a wrap on unlocking Charlie Munger's $100,000 wisdom. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with that first $100,000. Stay disciplined, stay patient, and most importantly, stay optimistic. You got this. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.